If you want to speed up a section of video in Shotcut, the first thing is you're going to need the section of video. So you would have hit the S key to split. We want this clip right here. We want to speed up this process of the video where we're actually doing edits as a tutorial. So the section you want to speed up should be red and highlighted. Right click and get properties. This window will pop up on your left and you see the speed right here. You can either hit the arrow up or you can type it in. I'm going to probably do a 4x speed.